Inside the S550 Mustang, these cars are extremely potent, but with headers in the free flow front section, like if you got long 2 American racing headers, or if you got bypass pipes or cat deletes, these cars are extremely raspy. That's why with the Valvetronic design system, we've engineered a center resonator that really cleans up the sound. You'll hear this Mustang doesn't sound like it has cat deletes or anything, even though it's a full race long tube setup. The car sounds real smooth, real aggressive, and obviously it's extremely loud. With the valves, you can control it. There's no drone in the cabin, which is nice, even with these race headers. So it really is the ultimate flexibility. Close the valves. It's like it's bone stock in here, which is really nice, because with the headers, the car's extremely rowdy. Having the control, there's no compromise anymore. So whether it's this earlier S550 Mustang in 2016, or it's a later car like a 2019 or 2020, you can put this exhaust system on it, and you've got the unparalleled sound experience. For right now, enjoy the sound. One of the most fun and enjoyable parts about this exhaust system for this S550 Mustang is when the valves open, you get incredible raw sound. The resonator casing smooths the sound, so you get a great experience. Almost better than that is when you close the valves, you can get all the induction noise but minimal exhaust. So this car's got headers, got the full exhaust, really, really loud with the valves open. With the valves closed, we're gonna give you guys some sound of what it sounds like with the valves closed. It's so awesome in here because you just get wicked induction noise, perfect for your favorite back road, but no one hates you because the car's not that loud. Here's what that sounds like. Listen to this, ready? Valves closed.